Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Magnite, Magnite.com, a supply-side platform, or SSP, that empowers publishers to maximize their ad revenue. In the increasingly complex world of digital advertising, having a robust and effective SSP is crucial for publishers looking to thrive. Magnite provides a comprehensive suite of tools and technologies that streamline the process of selling ad inventory, connecting publishers with a vast network of advertisers and demand partners. This allows publishers to efficiently manage their ad space and optimize their earnings. One of the key features of Magnite is its focus on transparency and control. Publishers have granular insight into their ad performance, allowing them to make data-driven decisions about their ad strategy. They can see exactly who is bidding on their inventory, and adjust their pricing and targeting parameters accordingly. This level of transparency fosters trust and ensures publishers are getting the best possible value for their ad space. Furthermore, Magnite's advanced analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, allowing publishers to track their progress and identify areas for improvement. Beyond its core functionality, Magnite offers a range of additional features and services, including header bidding, private marketplaces, PMPs, and programmatic guaranteed deals. These features provide publishers with even more flexibility and control over their ad inventory, enabling them to connect with premium advertisers and command higher prices. Magnite also offers robust support and resources to help publishers navigate the complexities of the digital advertising landscape. Whether you're a small independent publisher or a large media company, Magnite can help you maximize your ad revenue potential. With its comprehensive suite of tools, transparent approach, and commitment to innovation, Magnite is a leading player in the SSP space. Be sure to check out Magnite.com for more information and to explore how their platform can benefit your publishing business.